Hello guys, welcome to Prince WPSU. Today I'm going to show you guys how to drive more traffic to your website, and I'm going to show you two strategies to improve your website traffic, which I have two websites here to show you exactly those two methods I use to increase the website traffic. I'm going to show you a new website that I'm working on to improve the traffic, and also show you the particular old website that I implement that two method to increase the traffic, to drive more traffic to my website. So if you're struggling in getting traffic to your website, you need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you a live record in which you have to follow to increase your website traffic. If you're new in this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell. Once update anything concerning SEO or a video like this, you will get notification. Now I'm going to go straight to the point to show you exactly two methods to implement to increase your website traffic, to drive more traffic in 2021 and also 2022. Okay, when it comes to SEO, there is main important thing most of us are missing, and which is a general problem for every beginner or small business owners, and that problem is you utilizing to know exactly to utilize what users are searching for. Because if you utilize what users are searching for, then you can be able to narrow your way down to boost that keyword to start getting what traffic, or start getting what sales. So for example, this is one of my old websites, and the important thing about this website that I'm working on, this is a project website that I'm working on for testing, and I want to be using it to teach you guys exactly how to drive more traffic in this channel. I'm going to be dropping a series of videos that is going to tell you how to drive traffic. So if you come to this website, the first thing you need to do as an SEO expert or whatever, or maybe you want to do SEO on your website, first of all, add your website to Google Console. The reason you're adding your website to Google Console is that Google is going to be giving you a record to work with, because most of you think that the only important of adding your website to Google Console is to see a chart like this to tell you when your traffic is going, where your traffic is dropping. No, that's not the only thing Google Console is going to help you to do. Google Console is going to help you to tell you exactly keyword people are using to get your website, how people type keywords before they can be able to click on your own website. So in that case, let's do the live analytics right now. If I go to this my website, and let's say for example you have 50 content, you add your website to Google Console, allow it for 2 months or a month before you get enough data before you start building backlink. That's the method I'm using right now. So if I go to performance, let's click performance. In some cases, if you scroll down, I've taught something like that before. If you look at here, this is the keyword that I'm getting clicks from. Performance is going to show you a number of keywords. If you scroll down, this is the performance. If you scroll down under the performance, you're going to see the searching queries. The searching queries, the page, the country, the device, and the search appearance and the date those keywords appearing on Google. Okay, this is the best important tools, and a lot of you don't know that this is a particular tools to know exactly what your users are searching for in your website once you have a good content. If you check here, you're going to see that I have this keyword. I'm getting 1,000 clicks and 7,000 impression. If I want to improve the clicks of this website, of this keyword, this particular keyword, is to build backlink to it. Okay, build some few backlink, not just pointing backlink to it. There's also the important thing I need to consider is to check to improve my title, so it to increase my click-through rate. Because if this keyword appears 7,000 times on Google and I got only 1,000 clicks, it's very poor. Okay, it's very poor. The only reason I'm saying it's very poor is that my website appears 7,000, only 1,000 people click it. Let's just give analysis of that. It's very poor. The only way to improve it is to check your title description. So let's type this keyword on Google now. Okay, let's type this keyword on Google search. Let's go here and make sure you watch this video to the end. If you check here, the top people that is ranking on this keyword, I'm ranking on 3rd position, okay, and every other person is putting this download hip hop and R&B album. And if you check their description, is different from my own description. Let me show you something. It's different from my own description. So what I need to do right now is to optimize my description by going to that page that have this keyword. If I go to the page that have this keyword, okay, sorry, not this one is not mine. It's not, sorry, I'm sorry guys, this one is not mine. Okay, let me screw that. Okay, see my here, I'm ranking 4th position. Now if you check here, I'm ranking on this keyword, this download hip hop album. I did not optimize my description very well, and my title is not well optimized like every other person that is ranking on this page, okay, on this particular keyword. What I need to do right now is to change my title to be like this. So in most times, people like you to give them a clear vision on what they can be able to get in each of your pages. If you're writing on how to make money online, people are going to be more difficult to click it. When you put it how to make money online as a beginner, now you are giving different that beginners can be able to read this content. People that is searching for how to make money can read this content. It's very important to give a good title to increase your click-through rate. Your H1 should be a call to action to a user on Google search if you're trying to improve your traffic. Now backlink is not a problem again because I'm ranking in 1st page, 4th position, but the problem now is my click-through rate is very poor. I'm getting a lot of impressions but I'm not getting clicks. The reason is because I did not optimize my title very well. If you check the person that is ranking in 1st position, this guy can get up to even 6,000 clicks because this particular title is going to tell you that you're going to download hip hop. But if you go to my own, there's nothing like download hip hop on my title, which is very poor. Okay, it's not giving users a direct definition of what they are going to get in that page, and it's going to make users to feel more confused. It's only the few people. That's why I'm having over 1,000 click and getting 7,000 impressions. So my website appears 7,000 times and I'm getting only 1,000 clicks. So let's improve it right now. Let me log into this page and improve it right now in your face, which I said I'm going to give a live report. So, and also this is one of my new websites which I want to use the same strategy to improve the click. So this website have about 9 content and is up to a month, and the only way for me to increase the opportunity to get more traffic, to drive more traffic to this website, is also to click performance. Now Google is going to give me analysis of what people are searching for. Now the problem of this one, let's sort out the old website before we come to the new website. So to tell you that I have enough strategy, you need to learn to improve your website traffic. So let me log in. Okay, so if I log in, so let me refresh this page to catch up the login. Okay, let me log in. So I'm going to edit this page to add this action word my competitors are adding that is making them to get more clicks, because these people are getting more clicks than me because they add download word inside. And whenever you make any changes in your website, make sure you resubmit your sitemap. Is very, very important. So in that case, let's click edit category. If I click edit category, now if you check now, I'm not adding download word in my own. Okay, I'm not adding download word here, so I'm going to click here and edit snippet. If I'm to edit snippet, what am I going to add here? I'm going to add download. So let's just go here and grab one of my competitor let's grab this first person title. Is very important. You can use the same title, you can use the same method to grab exactly what they are doing. Download hip hop. Okay, let me download, let me put it here. Download hip hop. Okay, let me check out my own appear on Google search and check it out here. Okay, which is hip hop. Let's go up. Okay, hip hop, and I'm not going to put that. Download hip hop. Download latest hip hop album. Okay, just improve your own. Make sure you improve it. This is it. I'm going to, you can be able to give space hip hop, and then I will update this page and make sure I submit my sitemap so Google can recrawl this page. And we also take the same step in improving other ones. So this one sorry guys, this particular keyword now have over 1,000 impression. Okay, and I'm getting 850 is quite okay. Okay, and if I also want to push myself to the first page, I can build some few links. So most times, if the impression is okay, now I'm in the first page and I'm getting over 850 clicks, over 1,000 impression, that is good. It's close to the impression. But once the impression is far better than the clicks, that is when you will think about optimizing your title or building some few links to overtake other people that is ranking above you. So if you are in fifth position in first page, and the only way to increase your click-through rate is either you change your title or you build some links, or maybe you change your description. Your description is not a ranking factor, but the description is going to tell user what exactly they are going to get on that page. You're going to tell them you're going to get tips on how to make money. You are going to write a description that is going to be eye-catching, not just for ranking factor, but to increase your click-through rate. That's the simple way. Two method: either you build backlink when the impression is higher than the clicks. Make sure you check your title, your description, and you build some few links that is going to be contextual, that is going to be pointing the keyword. When I say contextual are those hyperlink keywords. You're going to hyperlink it. You're going to hyperlink a keyword with a backlink to improve what your keyword ranking and the density of the link juice. There's a lot for you guys to learn in this channel, which I'm going to be dropping the series. And if you love this video, leave a comment for me. I love this video, so I can be able to create more content, more video that is going to help you to improve your website traffic in 2021 and 2022 generally. So now, example we have already done in telling you how to improve your website traffic. Let's also go to new website, because if you have an old website, track your information. The easiest way your competitors are using in killing this marketing or making more traffic or making more sale is because they are using Google. That's why when you maybe you hire a SEO expert, they will encourage you to add them or force you or tell you to add them to your Google analysis, so they can be able to track your performance and know how to improve your website traffic. Okay, now for example, if you check out here, remember what I said here, this one is very poor. Again, download free zip album. So if you check here, let's say for example, if you check here, let's go. If you check here, this keyword, this Chris Brown Don't Judge Me, is getting 492 clicks and is have over 1,000 impressions. This is very poor. I can improve it to 800 to 900. The easiest way is for me to either build some links to take over some position, or okay, I'm even in a good position. In good position. The only thing to do here, if you're in good position, you can also check the first person that is ranking on this keyword to improve your own, maybe to add a good description. But in this case, I'm ranking in second position. This may be in based on branding. Okay, most times keyword ranking can be based on branding. These websites have been in Google for years, so you have a lot of fan base. So this can be the reason, because this website have enough fan base, that's why it's getting more clicks. And again, this website add video and add relics, so I can also edit my own and add what video plus what relics, so I can be able to get more clicks more than him. So what you're going to be doing is to analyze the people that is above you, know the keyword they are using, utilize those keyword, optimize your own back, and resubmit your sitemap. And if your own title match with his own title, but well optimized, not just copy, what you just need to do, and maybe you are ranking third position, and the only thing you just need to do is to build some links, push links when your title is okay, your description is okay, push some links to take over the position. The person that is getting more traffic is telling, because this website is going to get more traffic than my own based on he add video and what relics. That's the number one bonus that is making him to get more clicks, and I'm getting lesser clicks. Let's go to new website. For those of you that have new website and you've published content, you have a lot of impression and you're not getting click, it's still the same method. All you just need to do is to copy down the keywords that you're getting here. You can export them. If you click here, let me also go back by overview, and once you write 20 content, 9 content, allow the website to get impression for like a month. Leave the website to stay 1 month, 2 months to start getting impression before you use this approach that I'm using right now, so for you to use enough data to increase your more traffic. So if you click performance, and scroll down here, if you scroll down here, you're going to see the suggestion keyword. You can export it in Excel sheet in any format. I'm going to export it in the Excel sheet, and then go to Fiverr or go to any SEO company and order for a back link. If you check here, let me show you something. If you check here, I use the same method I'm showing you on this new website to increase the performance of this website, because I track each of the method. I track it out there and get those keywords, use some few links to boost it out. If you check this new website, you can easily copy this keyword and place it here in search. Let's see the people that is ranking on it. You're going to see a lot of people that is ranking on this keyword and how they use their title. You can easily use the same method to improve your content, and also check their own content if there's anything you are mixing. If I'm writing some song review, maybe most times I did not add the complete details of what these people are writing, but if our details are the same, maybe we are using the same method in writing content, maybe we have the same feature, no single details is missing. The only thing you need to do is to improve your link building strategy by building more backlinks to your content. So when your content match with what users are searching for, and you have a lot of details on that content, images, screenshot or whatever, or anything that is going to prove the content more value, make sure you build some few links. So in this aspect of this website, this new website that is not getting clicks, all we need to do is to improve the link building, to build links. This website don't have any link. I wish I have a subscription for most. You can be able to see it. This website I've not built any single backlink to it. So my agenda on this website is to publish 30 content before I start building backlink, so I can get a lot of data to work with, because building backlink immediately to your website is going to cause a lot of a kind of spamming signal to Google. The only way to build backlink like expert is to publish 20-30 content, allow it for 1 month to take place for Google to pick a record of your content inside the database of their of your own Google console report, so you can be able to use those keywords to build backlink. How to trash on how to how to empty trash on what, on Android. So you can be able to export the keywords. These are the keywords you're getting impression from. And if I expand it like this, and if you see, there's a lot of 36, 34, 17 click-through and 3 click-through rank. The only thing, sorry, impression and the click-through rate are very poor. And the position of this keyword that I'm ranking is a position what? I'm ranking position 72, 78, which is very, very poor. The only way to increase it is to keep a record of this one. Download the record and keep it. Then you copy out this keyword and give a backlink builder or SEO expert to build backlink to these keywords. So come back in next 2 months and see that the position is going to change. Most of them is going to take shape to go back to position 2, 3, depending on how backlink you build. And the most important thing is to build backlink from a website that have good traffic. And any changes you make on each of your content, or if you build backlink or change any keyword on each of your content, make sure you resubmit your sitemap so Google can be able to recrawl your new updated version of that content. Is very important, of that page, any of those, or maybe you make changes in your product, make sure you resubmit your sitemap for Google to pick the latest version. So the only thing we need here is to submit this keyword to any SEO expert, or you start, if you have a link list, you can start pointing links to this keyword and start tracking to know when the position of these keywords are going to improve. Because if their position is going to improve, you're going to come back in few months, let's say 2 months after doing that, you can be able to come back and also what, export this data again and check and compare the position you have previously and now. That's the most important thing, and that is the main strategy to improve your traffic, to get more traffic to your website in 2021. And see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye guys.